Good day everyone! So our topic for today is all about Hertzsprung-Russell diagram. So the Hertzsprung-Russell diagram or the HR diagram is a fundamental tool in astronomy that helps astronomers understand the characteristics and evolutionary stages of the star. So this HR diagram is important tool in astronomers because this helps them not only to understand the characteristic and evolutionary stages but also the ages of the star. It was independently developed by Ejnar Hertzsprung and Henry Norris Russell in the early 20th century. So this diagram was developed by Ejnar. Ejnar is on the right side and Henry Norris on the left side. So this is Hertzsprung-Russell diagram looks like. So it has the main sequence star, the supergiant, giants, and the white dwarf. So muna siya ang diagram ni Hertzsprung ug ni Russell. The HR diagram has two axes. So number one is the horizontal axis or the x-axis represents the star's temperature with hotter stars on the left and cooler stars on the right. And then the vertical axis or the y-axis represents the star's luminosity, which is essentially its intrinsic brightness or energy output. So more luminous stars are higher up on the diagram. So, ang horizontal axis is moto dito ang kuan na ang star's temperature. So, sa left, ang star moto nga nagrepresent sa stars nga mga hotter stars. Then, sa right is cooler stars. Then, sa vertical axis, ang sa represent sa stars luminosity or kanang brightness sa star. So, if kanang ang star is hayag kaadyo is na mabutang siya sa higher up sa diagram. So mao ni diri, so makahibaw na tad kung unsa yung mga kanang pulos aning mga number sa mga kilid. So ang kaning diri sa kilid di ba ingon to siya nga ang horizontal. So when we say horizontal, di ba kanang ang horizontal is pataas. So ang horizontal is mao ni siya diri. Kaning di ba ingon to siya nga sa left is katong init na stars, then sa right is katong mga bugnaw nga stars. So kaning diri sa ubos, di ba ingon to siya nga ag sa vertical. So vertical is di ba pahigda. So mao to ang kanang diri nagsukod sa kanang brightness sa star. So di ba ingon to siya nga kung ang star is kanang naihayag kaadyo is mabudod siya sa ibabaw. Number 2 is stellar clusters. So the HR diagram is often populated with stars from stellar clusters. Clusters contain stars that are roughly the same distance from Earth and are formed around the same time. This makes them valuable for studying stellar evolution. So this is the example of stellar clusters. Number 3 is main sequence. The main sequence is a diagonal band that stretches from the upper left, hot luminous stars, to the lower right, coolest luminous stars on the HR diagram. So the main sequence represents stars in the prime of their lives, where they generate energy through nuclear fusion. Stars like our sun are located on the main sequence. So this is the main sequence, kaning gray color nga nagdiagonal. So gitawag ni siya prime of their lives kay kaning mga stars nga nasa main sequence is a balanced stars. So diri sila nag-generate og energy through nuclear fusion kay di ba ang inag-process sa nuclear fusion kay magpagawas man og kanang nay energy basta mag-process ng nuclear fusion, then didto na sila makakuha or maka-generate ang mga stars nga naa diri sa mga main sequence. So sa ang atong sun pod is na belong sa main sequence. Number 4, stellar evolution on the HR diagram. As stars age and exhaust their oxygen fuel, they move off the main sequence and evolve into different regions of the diagram. The path they follow depend on their mass. So ang kaning stellar evolution is kung magkaedad na ang mga stars, then makawagtang na ilang mga hydrogen fuel, so makuan jud to sila kanang mahawa jud sa main sequence. Kay di ba ang main sequence is kanang mga balance stars ang naa didto, so inag mawa to siya ang ilang mga hydrogen fuel, so matangtang jud to sila. So ang ilang kanang nay pattern nga gi-follow is magdepende ra pod sa ilang kanang gibukaton. Red giants, low mass stars like the sun, expand and become red giants as they transition off the main sequence. So, ang padulngan sa katong mga stars dito sa main sequence is either red giant, supergiant, or white dwarf. So, ang red giant is mo nisla ang mga kanang gaan ra nga mga stars para sa atong sun. So mahimo silang red giants if mahawa na sila sa main sequence. So sa supergiant usa sila kanang massive stars. So massive stars is kanang panas da mga stars nga bugat o kanang init kaadyo. So they move away from the main sequence. Then ang white dwarf, if mahuman ang stars sa ilang cycle as giant, so mahimong jud sila. Ang ila jong padulngan is mahimong white dwarf. So kaning white dwarf are kanang gagmay din init. So located ang white dwarf sa pinakaubos sa kuan HR diagram. Number 7 is theoretical models. The HR diagram helps validate theoretical models of stellar evolution by comparing observations the position of the stars on the diagram. Astronomers can refine their understanding on the physical processes that govern a star's life. So, ang theoretical model is mo ni ang makatabang sa mga astronomers para kanang mapalawom or mapalawak pa ang ilang mga understanding about sa stars. Then, variable stars like Cepheid variables occupy specific region on the HR diagram. They are valuable for determining the distances to other galaxies as their period luminosity relationship allows astronomers to measure their luminosity. So kaning Cepheid variables is mo ni ang kanang nagali kanang stars pod nga nasjay kanang pattern na gisunod. So for example is karon naman kusog ijang siga, then ang sa sunod na pod nga month is mo hinay siya, then sunod na pod mo kusog mo hinay mo didto makakuha nag astronomers. So mo ni makatabang sa astronomers. The Hertzsprung-Russell diagram is a powerful tool for studying stars, their properties, and their evolutionary path. It provides insight into the different stages of a star's life, from its formation on the main sequence to its final destination as a white dwarf, neutron star, or black hole. So this diagram plays a central role in our understanding of the cosmos and the life cycle of the stars. So this is the end of my report. So thank you for listening.